The Crow and the Peacock. Who is happy? Once there was a crow who wishes to be colorful and beautiful like other birds. He then went to the parrot and shared his thoughts. But parrot said, Peacock is most beautiful bird, so talk to him. Then the crow went to the peacock and told him about his looks. Then the peacock replied, You are the luckiest bird that has been never caged in life, and we, because of our beauty, stay caged, and you are always free. After listening to this, Crow realized his mistake and thanked God for making him like this, and he flew away happily. Moral: never compare yourself to others. Be happy with what you have and what you are.